So ngayon fam is it's already Sunday ng June 12, 10:39 a.m. So 10:39 a.m. and sobrang lamig and sobrang bagyo. May unting ulan sa paligid. And kailangan ko umuwi sa bahay dahil nga birthday ng pinakamamahal kong lolo sa Tuesday. So matutulog ako doon ng Monday. And then bukas may aasikasuhin din ako sa SM Tungko na very important. So, fully equipped guys. Ito naman ay waterproof. And then ito din, may waterproof akong pants and may waterproof akong sapatos. So ito pong brand na to, Isaac. Tignan mo yung butike. Aalis na po tayo. And good luck and more blessings to come to our way. So let's go! We're back fam. So nandito tayo sa Maligaya 7-Eleven at kumakain muna ako ng cup noodles and then alam ko medyo bad combination pero kaya yun ako, namiss ko talaga siyang namiss ko yung lasa. Tagal na din, halos 2 months na ako hindi nakapag cup noodles tsaka hindi na din ako nakapag chocolate milk. Malapit na din tayo papunta dun kay daddy sa bahay nila at tinawagan ko natin yung lola ko. Everything's okay naman, i-ready na nila yung date.
Daddy Boots dito. Hindi!
Ikaw ay manahuat na tayo'y magkalayo. Kamay-kamay tayong dalawa. Kamiti ang kapamasiyo. At pagkutay na magmamahal. Nakalarawan kahit umasa. Isang luna ang puso ko. Kulay kayong tunang buhay ko. Bumabalik ang ligaya ng iba. Salamat sa nagawa mo ba? Ngunit sa'yo, iwan ko, tumay sa buwan ng tayong kalayo. Hanggang tuloy na magmamahal,
Dito.
kalarawan kahit umasa. Isang yaman ang puso ko, kulay kayong tunang buhay ko. Bumabalik ang ligaya ng iba. Salamat sa nagawa mo ba?
Guarda bene il tuo nome, gentili fingers are kingdoms are walk over your hand. I know I know your name, that if I could give you the world, I'd like to grab hand. And I will die, lyrics and fine, crazy as lying true. See these words in the sky, hoping to find you. Darling, for you. As long as I'm just a poet, writing these songs, hoping you love it. Notice, and I'm just a helpless fool for you. Sometimes, like Jericho, I'll be singing a line. Taking things that hurt, I want this time. I'm like, darling, I keep looking this and I'm all. You can never know what it's like. Your love like a hidden piece, just like ice. There's no lonely lights that shine on you. You're running like a begging heart behind that loves to you. And you think your heart's still standing there and everything. Looking like you survivor, feel like you need a kid. Hey, let's go. Please don't know I'm still standing there. Looking like you survivor, feel like you need a kid. And I'm still standing after all this time. Taking all the pieces of my life without you on my mind. And I'm still standing, yeah, yeah, yeah. And I'm still standing, yeah, yeah, yeah. And I'm still standing, yeah, yeah, yeah. And I'm still standing, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Nice! Very good, very good! Galing ah!
That was
Dad, ikaw na!
contestant number 3, Q.
Kakanta ko niyan si Dad. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Hey, lalagay pa yung ate. Asa yung posporo? Ayan, wait lang Dad, lalagay mo na. Ano, wish ka muna bago ulipan. Wish ka muna.
Kung ang iyong nakita ay
Nasaan kasi yung candle? Ayan, kain na tayo. More blessings, more health, and all that. Yay!
Ingat.
Bye-bye.
Ingat, ingat.
Alis na ako, Mami.
Ingat.
Bibi! Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Ingat,
Bye, Mami.
ingat.
Susunod ulit. Bye, God bless.
Sige, sige.